Welcome to Cafe Class, Cafe Concert once again. Today we want to look at a little bit revision of what we've done before. Though I won't be the one doing it. You can see what I said, exercise 1. That is for the previous, for the things we've done, the previous now. I want to see how many of you that is following the page. You may be looking at, okay, if I finish doing that, will I submit? Don't worry. You have my number there. You can submit via my WhatsApp number 081 37454998. 081 081 37454998. 45. So you can submit via that. That is, you want me to follow you up, no problem. But if you don't want, yes, you get it yourself. Okay. The exercise 1 says any two A odd numbers, B even numbers. What is the sum? You do it. You pick what are odd number, you know that. What are even number? Pick any two odd numbers, sum them together, and work it out. Number 2, state whether the following statements are true or false. Whether the following statements are true or false. Hear that? State whether, show your statement either true or false. Show it with workings. Show it with, when I say working, show it with example. Show it with example. The sum of 3 odd numbers is evil. Is it true or false? Show it with example. The sum of 2 odd numbers and 1 even numbers is evil. Show it with example. Back it up with example. Either true or false. The product of 3 odd numbers is odd. Is it true? Is it false? Show it with example. If an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. Okay? Prove it for me. Is it true or false? If it's true, tell me it's true with your example. All prime numbers are odd. Prime numbers do not have any factors. Sum of 2 prime numbers is always evil. Is that true? Say false. Show it. 2 is the only evil prime number. Okay? Is that true? If it's true, you make me know. The product of 2 even numbers is always evil. Prove it. Write down separately the prime and composite number less than 20. Okay, you may be like, but during your class, you did not talk about composite number. Okay, composite numbers are numbers that has more than 2 factors. You know what factors of number is, right? So with that, numbers that have more than 2 factors are composite numbers. Okay, I'm sure composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors. Okay, so you have to write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. Get it now? Write down the prime number less than 20, composite number less than 20. Express the following as a sum of 2 odd primes. Express the following as a sum of 2 odd primes. They are telling you now, we don't have numbers that are odd number. We have numbers that are prime number. We have numbers that are odd at the same time primes. So they are telling us now that you should express this example. Express them as the sum of 2 odd prime. Okay. What is the greatest prime numbers between 1 to 10? So let's do this. And we see in the next class, which is going to be an interesting class. And that class will be talking about be looking at testing of numbers, that is test of divisibility, test for divisibility. That is, we want to know, can 2 divide a certain number? Can 3 divide a certain number? What are the conditions that we want to, that we will be able to say, oh, when I see the number, you will say, okay, definitely 3 can divide it. When I see the number, I can say, oh, definitely 5 can. What are the conditions? That is what we call test for ability. We'll see that in next class. Follow up this page, like it, share it, subscribe to get the next class. and God bless you. See you in the next class.